Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you write past simple sentences with a go. This is for pre-intermediate, Certificate 1, Beginning Certificate 2 English students. How many? First, plus the time period, days, months, years, plus ago. This is the word order when we use ago. So here's an example. 4 days ago. So how many? 4. The time period, days, and ago. 3 months ago. 4 years ago. So let's look at this timeline. We can see that today is Monday. There's a green circle and today. So 4 days ago, we must go back 4 days. Back 1 Sunday, 2 Saturday, 3 Friday, 4 days ago, Thursday. Here's an example. We could say on Thursday I went to my friend's wedding. This is good use of time words, but we want to use ago. So we would write 4 days ago I went to my friend's wedding. Here's another example. I started a new job 4 days ago. Time is last or first in our sentences. Let's look now with months. 3 months ago. So we can see this month and the green circle is August. We go back 3 months. July is 1, June is 2, May is 3. So 3 months ago is May. And here's some examples. 3 months ago, we moved house. Or I visited my friend in Sydney 3 months ago. First or last in our sentence. And you can also use it with years. So this year, 2018, the green circle. 1 year ago, back 1, 2017. We'd write a sentence. 1 year ago, I started my English classes. Or we went on a holiday to Hong Kong 1 year ago. First or last in our sentence. Here's another example, but we'll look at 2 years ago. So this year is 2018. We go back 2 years. 1, 2, 2016. I'm going to write a sentence using ago. I started my job 2 years ago. Or another example, 2 years ago I came to Australia. You can use it first or last in your sentences. Here are 2 sentences. One sentence has a mistake. Find the problem. Sentence number 1 has the problem. Where are our time words? I went 2 years ago. No, this is not good. Sentence number 1 is good. And where is our time? Our time is last in the sentence. Here's 2 more sentences. Find the problem. Sentence 2 has the problem. Where is the time? They 2 months ago travelled? No, this is not good. Sentence 1 is good. Where is the time? The time is first in this sentence. Here's 2 more sentences. Find the problem. Sentence 1 has the problem. Where is our time words? Our time words are at the end. But there's a problem. The word order is in the wrong order. Remember, number first, then time, then ago. So if you see number 2, this is the correct order. 2 days ago. Practice using ago with time in your past simple sentences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.